Hello everybody, welcome to my channel RR Simple Recipes. Today I am going to make a interesting dish called omelette sabji or omelette curry. Let us see how to make it. Now I am going to make simple omelettes. Only eggs and little salt. I am going to make plain omelettes. Now the plain omelette is ready. Like this we can make one more omelette. Now the next omelette is also ready. So I made two plain omelettes. Now let us see what we are going to do. Now I am going to cut the omelette into square pieces with the help of a knife. Now the omelette pieces are ready like this. If you wish you can cut into triangle pieces also, but square pieces looks nice. Like this you have to cut the pieces. Now let us see what are the things required for grinding. I have taken 3 tablespoons full of freshly grated coconut, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 red chilies, some 5 or 6 garlic pods, and half a teaspoon of jeera or cummin seeds, and some 10 to 15 cashew nuts. So let us coarsely grind all these things in a small mixie jar. Coconut, jeera, turmeric powder, garlic, and 3 red chilies, half of broken into half of, and cashew nut. Let us coarse grind all these things together. Now the coarsely ground material is ready. Now let us see what are the other things needed. 1 medium sized onion sliced into pieces lengthwise, 1 medium sized capsicum cut into small pieces, 1 medium sized boiled potato cut into pieces, small pieces, and 1 medium sized tomato cut it into pieces, small pieces. Then for seasoning we need half a tablespoon of mustard and red chilies and some curry leaves. Now let us pour some oil in the kadai, and now I am adding mustard and red chilies and curry leaves. When the mustard starts cracking, put the onions and stir well. When the onion turns slightly brown, then add capsicum and tomato too. Then add salt too. Mix well and add potatoes too. Now I am closing it with the lid just for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let us open and see. Now add the ground mixture. Along with that add water too and stir it well. Now the stove is in medium flame mode. Now everything is boiling. Now I am closing it with the lid and let us wait for 3 minutes. Now after 3 minutes I am going to open the pan. Now everything is mixed well and cooked well. Now I am going to add the pieces. And gently mix the sabji. Otherwise the omelette pieces may break. So gently mix the sabji. Now stir well for some few seconds and then switch off the stove. Now the sabji is ready. I am going to transfer it in another dish. Now the omelette sabji is ready. Let us garnish it with coriander leaves and some pieces of omelette. This is very tasty, healthy and attractive too. Everybody should try this and taste this. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks very much.